Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. কেমন আছো তোমরা সবাই? So today I have created an inspired makeup look of Shy Styles. She made a cut crease kind of eye makeup with brown lips and she is looking absolutely stunning. So without further ado, let's get started, and I'm starting my makeup with a toner. After that I will use a moisturizer. Winter is just knocking at the door, so don't forget to apply moisturizer. Next, I'm using the Rose Hip Oil by Good Vibes. I will mention every product in my description box. Do check that out. Here is a short disclaimer that I'm not copying Shy Styles. I'm just creating a inspired makeup look of her. We will make our eyebrows first. If you guys want to know how I make my eyebrows, then do let me know in the comment section. I will make a separate video on that. I'm using a concealer by L'Oreal to sharpen out my eyebrow area. I'm blending the concealer with a beauty blender. Eyebrows are done. Now for the eye makeup, I'm using the same concealer on my eyelid. Blending the concealer with the help of a beauty blender. I'm using an orange shade first. I'm applying the orange shade on my crease line. I'm slowly developing the shade. Doing the same on another eye. Next, I'm using a very light brown color and I'm applying the color to blend my edges. I'm using a very light hand here to blend the edges. To make the cut crease, I'm taking some concealer on my hand and I'm applying the concealer on half of my lid. With a very light hand, I am blending the concealer. Next, I will use the grey color. I am spraying some toner on my brush to achieve more pigmentation. Next, I am using a blending brush to blend the edges of the grey color. I am blending the grey color with the previous shade so that it doesn't create any separate line. I am doing the blending process with a very light hand. For the shimmer, I am taking a grey shimmer color and applying the shimmer on the middle section of my eyelid. For the face, I am using Lakme CC cream today. Applying the CC cream all over my face and blending with a beauty blender. Next, I am using the concealer on the outer and inner corner of my eye, my nose, my forehead, little bit on my mouth area because I have pigmentation on my mouth area, and then I am blending the concealer with a beauty blender. Next, I am using a loose powder to set my face. I'm using the same orange shade on my lower lash line. Next, I'm using a setting spray to set my face. For the contour, I'm using the contour palette from Sugar Cosmetics. I'm filling the hollows of my cheek with the contour powder. I'm going to contour my nose as well. For the blush, I'm using a Coral blush by L'Oreal. And I'm applying the blush on the apple of my cheeks. Next, I'm using a highlighter to highlight my face, and I'm applying the highlighter on all the highest point of my face. little bit on the center of my nose, my brow bone. To enhance the eye makeup, I am using some highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes. Next, I am using a mascara. So our eye makeup is done. Next, for the lipstick, I'm using a brown lip shade today because she was wearing a brown kind of lipstick. I'm using a lip gloss now because her lips was looking kind of glossy. As you can see, I use a very little amount of lip gloss. Now to set the entire makeup, I'm using the setting spray. So our Shy Styles inspired makeup look is done. Wait for the final result. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Love you all.